And that's asparagus. Did you know asparagus can take up to 3 years to mature where you can actually eat asparagus? Kind of crazy, huh? Well, anyway, good morning. Magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. I'm standing back here in my little raised bed garden. I call this my farm. But today we're actually going to go on a trip to some good friends of ours, their farm that's over in Rosareo. You've probably seen it before if you've been following the My PI Dream video series. Now, today I'm going to do something that's a little bit out of character. I'm actually not going to do too much talking in today's episode. It's going to be more beauty that you're going to see because there's so much beauty to see out at Dave and Emily's farm. So we're going to do a lot of drone shots. And we'll capture a little bit of our activities today. So anyway, I hope you'll enjoy it. So sit back and relax, and without further delay, let's get today's video underway.
Eksaktong bilang ito eh.
Dave, what kind?
Australian.
These are Australian steaks there. Dude, when you do it right. Look at that.
Marinated bag
Oh
overnight.
man, look at that.
It's sweet baby Ray.
Wow.
Look at that.
Come on, Dave. Give us a good one. Yay. Wow.
It's cooking.
Look at that.
If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.